Hello friends, this is Shovik Malik and today I have this big boy right over here. This is the Zoook Rocker Torpedo. Yes friends, this is. Now, if you want to get it, just go to www.snapdeal.com. Also, you can go to the official application of Snapdeal. The price quoted here is 4,999 rupees. You can also get some exciting offers based on the date you're purchasing it. So, without any wastage of time, let's unbox it. You can see the box is very big. This has this rubber like soft padding for protection. Here is the information details. So let's cut off. Here are some yeah save the informations. A thank you card, unbox Diwali, file it aside. You can see the packaging is very good to protect the device from any defects while shipping. Let's cut open it. Lots of tapes. And here is the big boy right over here. Oh my god, it is so heavy, very heavy. Okay, so from the first impressions you can see blue Zoook Rocker Torpedo Bluetooth speaker. It has 50 watt of huge sound. It has got long battery life, extra bass, aux-in, wireless, hands-free, water resistant, HD sound and shock protection. You can see it's waterproof. Here on the top you will get all the informations. Bluetooth 4.1, it is supported Bluetooth 4.1, not 4.0. Here you will get the details of the speaker, onboard control, 50 watts of power, touch aluminum grill, a built-in skew mount. Here is all the, and here you will get the price details. The price quoted here is 6,999, but you will get it in 4,999, approx 5,000. At the bottom you will get the specifications. Read it on yourself. Now what's inside the box? One Zoook Rocker Torpedo Bluetooth speaker, one micro USB charging cable, one aux 3.5mm cable and one certificate of authenticity. You will get a full of 1 year warranty, and here nothing more. Here also all written things, nothing more. Now let's cut open the seals. The seals are already broken, I don't know why. Let's cut open this, and here let's open it. Okay, there are more things, more stickers. Yeah. And here also you can see it came with good protection. It is quite heavy, guys. Let's keep it aside for a little bit moment. Here you will get some cables. At first you will get this Zoook branded silver metal coated aux cable. Let's check out the length. Okay, it's approximately 2 foot. Okay, and then you will get this charging cable with Zoook branding here. very stylish cable. You saw with the Armor XL, the cables are very flimsy and of not good quality. The next you will get a user manual. Let's read it together. Done. Let's look at the speaker itself. Here is the beast. Okay, now let me give a quick review. Here you can see the power button, the lowering button, the increasing button, and here the forwarding button. Here 25 into 2 equal to 50 watts of speaker, Zoook branding, rugged speaker with a handle here. It's quite big, you can imagine how big it is, like this. Okay, at the side nothing. At the bottom you will get a bass radiator. I'll show you it a moment. Here also nothing. At the bottom you will get some Zoook informations. Here your serial number. Here you will get a flap, auxiliary input. Here a LED light for charging, and here is the charging port through which you can charge it. Now it is powered with 5200 milliampere, so you will get approx 7 to 8 hours if you play in 50% volume and 5 to 6 hours if you play it in 100% volume. Now it is quite heavy, not light at all. You cannot use it, you cannot take it to any kind of party because you cannot carry it. It is heavy. You can use it day to day life. Okay, so now let me give a sound test to you so that you can get to know that how is the sound quality of it. So here it goes.
Low key, roll, low key, move low key, move low key, roll. Diamonds in my mouth, but I move low key.
Now that I've used it for plenty of time, I want to share my experience with you guys. This ZB Rocker Torpedo gives a massive sound. You would not expect this kind of sound in a small price range of only 5000. Now the quality given here is very good. The picture given in the website was little flimsy. I thought that the quality will not good, but it gives a very soft smooth feel. It is very smooth, it is not at all harsh, and these buttons are not plasticky, they are rubbery, they are rubber type metal. This flat position here is full of brushed metal. It gives a very premium look. Down here you will see a hole here. This is for the tripod mount. If you have that tripod kind of thing, then you can mount it there. Now I got this warranty card. It was lying just inside here. I didn't found it before. Now if you see that here is one box written that register your product online at the given address to redeem 1 month extra warranty. If you redeem it as soon as possible, then you can get 1 month extra warranty. No issues. Don't panic. You will get 1 month extra warranty with 1 year also. That means you will get 13 months of warranty. Now there is no negative comments I have to give. All are positive. Only one negative comment is that you will not get any USB output like that you will get in the Soundquake. You get a very good, and yes, one disadvantage is that you will not get any NFC. If Zoook could provide a NFC tag here, then it would be the best speaker in the world in this price range. Not a big deal. You can also pair it with Bluetooth or line. That is also good. Now considering the price range, you cannot say anything. Only 5,000 rupees. The radiator here is so good. I'm sure that you saw what does it do. It is so good looking. If you made up to the end, then please like the video and comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And nothing more to tell, just buy it yourself and test it. Links will be below the description. So bye, have a good day.